How to enroll in Charles Schwab online access. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to enroll in Charles Schwab online access. So for this, you need to simply follow the steps. So I'm going to use the web version of it. You could use the app as well. So use any web browser that you have and type in Charles Schwab. Click onto the first link, and this is where it's going to take you. So simply click on the open an account button, which is at the top right as well, at the bottom left as well. Click on the following option. You'll be asked to select the account types, whether you want to go with the individual brokerage, joint brokerage, Roth IRA, or traditional IRA. You could select one of these options. Accordingly, follow on the on-screen prompt. So you'll be asked to provide in your basic information, your personal details, and the contact info as well, and your banking credential. So before you enroll into an online banking, you must have an existing banking account as well. So then you just need to follow the on-screen prompt, enter in all the details that has been asked, and for some reason if you're having difficulty, you could simply contact the support team. They should also help you out. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.